We talk about volatility on this segment all the time. Jamie Dimon, CEO of JP Morgan, his annual shareholder letter came out, and he's saying that the fourth quarter volatility that we saw last year could be a harbinger of more volatility to come. And typically volatility does breed volatility. We were looking at a chart not so long ago that supported that. Timing is difficult, though. So if we had that sort of big volatility in the fourth quarter of last year, the big last bout was in 2015, what do you think could be ahead?
Yeah, I mean, I think right now the VIX it seems to be making lower highs as we go. So, I mean, I think it's definitely something to keep an eye on as an equity investor. But right now we're just not seeing signs of it. So I think what you want to do is just watch support levels, keep an eye on the VIX. You could also keep an eye on the VIX for the Qs as well, VXN. I think those are important to keep an eye on.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense for sure. And also that MOVE index or the bond volatility index could be a tell. So you want to talk about biotech. You have a chart that you've brought with you speaking to a breakout. Although, you know, it's really interesting. I was taking a look at this, the biotech index before coming on, and the last all-time high was in 2015. So you think we're seeing a breakout? Will it go above the 2018 highs, or do you think we could even see a new all-time high?
I mean, I think it's definitely in the cards, and it's one of those sectors that's really not getting a lot of attention. Right now, we're seeing a lot of sector rotation today in particular, a little bit out of software and a little bit out of higher beta. But I think really this sets up pretty nicely. And, you know, just recently they're talking about modifying the healthcare plan, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be in the cards until possibly the next election. So I think we've got some open road ahead of us, possibly to about $99, $100.
Yeah, it is pretty interesting. The biotech sector has not been in the news all that much. Let's see whether or not that changes. But your trade is also on biotech, the XBI. You have a call spread, so you are bullish.
I am bullish, and I like particularly what's going on underneath the hood. We're seeing a lot of strength in the smaller cap names, and XBI is a perfect way to play it because it's equally weighted. It's not market cap related. Weighted. So therefore, if you look just out to May, and you could do a call spread about $5 wide, so you're defining your risk, paying about $1.60, $1.70, and looking at the May 94.99 call spread, a great way to define your risk for a riskier type sector.